If you keep getting stuck in your splits and you don't know why or what to do about it, then this video is for you. And don't even worry, it's not gonna be another 30-minute routine that you'll do once or twice and then completely forget about, because stretching for that long is completely unnecessary. I'll get into why later. Instead, I'll give you a 5-minute recipe that's easy to follow, science-backed, and fits into your schedule. So let's talk about why you're still stuck. There are 3 main reasons. Number 1, inconsistent stretching. If you're anything like me, then you can use willpower to stretch for about 2 weeks consistently. Anything beyond that, real life starts to get in the way and it's the first thing to go. Number 2, when you do stretch, you're stretching too hard. Hey, I commend you for going balls to the wall every time you stretch, but it does nothing for you if you're too sore to stretch the next day. Consistency is more important than intensity. Number 3, you're not properly warming up before you stretch. Your body's essentially like taffy. Think about cold taffy versus warm taffy. Which one can you stretch more? And lastly, you're not stretching all the muscles you need to do the splits. We'll get into that later. So how do we fix it? Well, that's why I made the 5-minute banana split recipe. All it is 5 stretches, 30 seconds, both sides. So before we dive into those cooking instructions, let me tell you why this recipe works. It uses the right duration of stretching, the right type, and also the weekly schedule to optimize your range of motion. So, a massive systematic review of 189 different studies found that you only need about 4 to 10 minutes of total stretching per muscle group per week to see real improvements. Anything beyond that doesn't give you a significant boost in range of motion. So our little 5-minute-a-day recipe is perfectly in line with that sweet spot that the science recommends. The stretching scientists say that 5 times fast. The scientists also found that static stretching in 15 to 30 second intervals works best. So that's what we're gonna do. Another reason this recipe works is it requires you to be properly warm. The Mayo Clinic recommends 5 to 10 minutes of light activity before stretching. And if you're not sure what that looks like, don't worry, I have a complete follow along that you can watch right here. And lastly, this is something that you can actually fit into your life. It's 5 minutes. You can literally do it while brushing your teeth. All right, we've made it to the part of the video that you actually want to see. What is the 5-minute banana split recipe? The recipe has 3 stages. Stage 1, preheat or warm up. Warming up is crucial, but what's also crucial is warming up in a way that actually fits into your life. On days you go to the gym or do any type of training, do this immediately after. You're already warm, so it's perfect. Just treat this as your cool down. And on days you don't work out, plug it into any light activity you do. Something like walking the dog is perfect. You want to be warmed up but not out of breath. Stage 2, breathing and relaxing into the stretch. The greatest way to relax in your stretch is to breathe. So I've added on an amazing breathing technique that I'm excited to share. So, the physiological sigh is the breathing technique that I recommend. It fully relaxes you into the stretch, and it also gives your brain something to think about besides the fact that you're stretching. The best way to do this is to take a deep inhale through your nose, and then right when your lungs are filled up, take one more small inhale, and then let it go. Exhale through your mouth and begin again. Breathing takes you out of the pain mindset and into what your body is experiencing. And you'll see that 30 seconds is actually really short. In stage 3, the cooking or the stretching. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through the full recipe super quickly. First, gather your ingredients and set up your timer. The ingredients we're using are the hip flexors, hamstrings, glutes, and quads. If you want more details on how to do each stretch and modification, check out my follow-along video. I'll link it in the description. Here's the sequence. Number 1, low lunge. This stretches your hip flexor. Step 1 foot forward, sink your hips down, and push your weight slightly forward. You should feel it in the back of your leg. Number 2, quad stretch. Bend your knee and try to grab your foot, gently pulling it in and breathing the whole time. Number 3, hamstring stretch. Shift your hips back, straighten the front leg as much as you can, bring your toes up and lean forward on your exhale. Number 4, pigeon stretch. Hips down, breathe, and keep it comfy. And number 5, splits. The best way to get better at something is to do it. So slide into your deepest comfortable split position and use whatever you need. Pillows, blocks, a chair, support is allowed. Once that's done, flip and do the other side. And there you have it, my full recipe. Do this 5 to 6 days a week for 4 to 6 weeks and you'll dramatically improve your splits. You can download the full recipe PDF to follow along with the link in my description. And please, please, please send me your progress photos. And stay tuned for more videos because I am actually making my boyfriend and a few others do this program currently. We'll see how it goes. And as always, stay stretchy.